watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Fire destroys house in Tanai village. No injuries. Khubor Traffic Police launch helmet distribution program for road safety. BSF foils smuggling attempts, seizes goods worth 52.76 lakh. And FKJGP highlights shortcomings at Civil Hospital, Northside. And now the news in detail. A devastating fire broke out in a house at Tanai village in southwest Khasi Hills district on the evening of January 20th. The house owned by Bada Jarwa was engulfed in flames, but fortunately, no casualties were reported. Bati Jarwa confirmed that a child sleeping inside the house was successfully rescued. Despite the damage, the family remains unharmed. The estimated cost of the damage to the house is around rupees 3 lakh. Authorities are investigating the cause of the fire. In a bid to enhance traffic safety and curb violations, the Khubor Traffic Police conducted a special program on Friday, January 19th. As part of the initiative, helmets were distributed to residents ahead of Meghalaya Day and Republic Day celebrations. The program also included a comprehensive inspection of drivers to ensure helmet usage and the enforcement of seat belt usage for light motor vehicle drivers. Police officials emphasized the critical need to strictly enforce traffic rules to reduce road accidents and fatalities. The initiative aims to raise awareness about safety measures and promote responsible driving across the region.
Ready? Again, give him in the head. Samla. दिखाओ उसको ना। ऊपर को साइन कर रहा है। ऊपर कहाँ? अभी पहनाओ, पहना दो। रुको 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 हेलमेट पकड़ो। पकड़ो पकड़ो। Yes. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, wear helmet more. Good. Thank you. And you wear, just wear, madam, direct.
लगा के अभी जाना है।
Take out and wear.
Look, रुको।
Wear helmet.
लगा के
जाओ.
बसों हंडे रो आपको हंडे तो बसों खाओ।
Yes. Diba round of applause for madam. Okay. तो आप लोग उसका नाम दूसरा सेट में लिखो. Tom, we are giving you free helmet from our SP, the boy. Okay, take out the cap. Please wear helmet. Okay. Please wear helmet. It is for your safety. Okay. Not only police, but you have to wear. If you see police wear helmet, what is the use? Nah? You have to wear helmet always for your own safety. Oh, okay. Thank you. इसका नाम इसका लिखा ना नाम बंदे हेलमेट फोटो भी खींचा ना फोटो भी खींचो हेलमेट लगाने वाला या वेरी गुड
नहीं होगा इसका छोटा है
नहीं होगा छोटा है वो नहीं होगा whenever you go school please wear helmet okay rest of luck हाँ again okay bye
lokasi yang boleh dilakukan coach. Kami kalau ika awareness nak bentak cuci dengan te kerpan iki pajak berkon. Bag abak kinia ika two wheeler lanya ga bike bersama bentuk kami helmet namar nilai bentip akan kapor kerja aksiden. Berkon ngidon dibayi ngasem abang ngilik dibayi ngasem dini ki api. Kadang kami nanti berkenan pahan mereka jaga tinggal bersesi. Akhirnya kisi kampung sini ni, ya kini kami two wheelers bagi penonton kami jalan dan kini setai. Kalau ke bersesi, kalau ada at least di penonton kami ka helmet, kalau safety nak bentar juga.
On January 19th, 2025, BSF Meghalaya frontier troops successfully thwarted smuggling attempts along the state border, preventing goods from being transported to Bangladesh. The BSF conducted several raids in East Jaintia Hills and West Garo Hills, resulting in the seizure of a large shipment of prohibited items. These included IV cannula sets, toothpaste, cows, blankets, sugar, zira, chocolate and a Tata truck used for transportation. The total value of the seized goods is estimated 52.76 lakh rupees. All items were handed over to the relevant customs officers and police stations for further investigation and legal action. These operations highlight the BSF's ongoing commitment to securing the nation's borders and combating smuggling. The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People, FKJGP Nongstoin Circle, visited the civil hospital in Nongstoin and raised concerns about the facility's inadequate infrastructure and services. The group found overcrowding in the OPD, a shortage of medical staff, particularly specialist doctors, and the absence of an ICU. Additionally, the hospital lacked essential testing facilities, medicines, and other basic resources. In light of these issues, the FKJGP has urged authorities to provide the necessary upgrades and support to improve the hospital services. The organization also vowed to continue advocating for the welfare of the people in West Khasi Hills district, appealing to health authorities for immediate action.
Port civil hospital. Abang gila let support, irung support gila let ya inspection. Nilap sebur gi ba nakapos kapor bagi pai ba gi ya ut ya nam ya kan ka jingdon kam jeng civil hospital. Hagan ni kapor nilap fisya ba ka jingduna kaba kong san kalong ba ka jingduna habi dei bat kiman power yo i hangni ba naduk ki doktor naduk ki nurse naduk ki security naduk ki ba kentup bet ki ba tre hangni hapo civil hospital yo i ta ka jingduna abagi le cepo yo i ba ya ka jaka OPD ngilap ba kadai ka jaka ka ba khamnya ba ka jaka ka ba long kabamla shoot ban page ban yan ujo ban kiwe paki ki hospital na ba ngilap ba kadai civil ka badon hapo Nongstoin town area ti habagi let support ru ngilet ki ward ba prepare ngilap chibun ki jingduna hakabi de bat ka jing thia ki nong thia pang ban ngilap ru hakawi ka nakiwat relate mentar kadai ka jongi kelung ngilap sisa hangni ba ka jingduna kalong ka space lane ka jaka ka ba ngidon kam kerki ya kadai ka jaka ban he lane ban panya marblei hang tu la phathialang ba ki kelung badang kha bat ya ki kin thei ki bompat kha ru ti na kaliang ka jongi ngilayok ban ya kren bat ki bojo ko ki khe hangne po civil hospital nakalian ke kiru kila penpau ya kata ke jingdon kam ya kaban pen bon susu ya kaman pawar lande ya ki nong tre nokta ne po civil hospital Ti ngilap lu ya kawai ka jing tuna kalong ba kiniki ambulance. Lani ke bagi khot kum ka mortuary van bantkit yakinong yakibala klat no. Hang ni hapo sibil hospital ngilap syaba. Lani ka mortuary van kamdan. Batki
The procession for the 6th Meghalaya Games 2025, which travelled 360 kilometers from Tura, reached Jowai, marking a significant milestone in the journey from the 5th Meghalaya Games. The procession was warmly welcomed by the West Jaintia Hills district at the headquarters of the Lum Kurwiang Dorbar Shillong. Notable attendees included Himonki Kai, bronze medalist in athletics 200 meters at the 5th Meghalaya Games, and Jason Kerchwami Pasa, gold medalist in golf at the Northeast Olympic Games 2022. A short welcome ceremony was held, attended by MLA and MUDA Chairman Wailat Miki Shilla, MSOA President John F. Karshieng, MSOA officials, Minister of State for Home Affairs and local residents.
I urge at the same time, Kuala Korpat, Kamtam Yakinong Chongchnong, Yong Kasor Jwai Gomayadima. Kenmo Gigi Mandi Ujok, Lede I Kam Gitrechno Yami, U Yem Mentalang, U Yalai Chiki Venue, U even say, Never Bon Bahagi, participant in the one that Kaling Yoga State Yogi, Kamtam Gipli Perlopu Nagaro, Bon Godapat dan first time, Uwangi, Upai Ikamun Rukong, Ibu Rukong Sa, Kamun Ketika Akor, Ketika Burung, Ketika Disiplin, Yogi Group na. Tengah Yogi Yogi Mani Kita Kuman welcoming, Mani Kita Kuya Pudiang Burung, Yang Kini Wawan Ceni, Bat Kam Tam Le, Yarak Yaki, Hekuni Wani Benta, Bat Kam Chole, Ilmin Sini Yaki, Haki, Jingi Jing Benta, Yogi Upaya Upaya. Dan ini dikentin secisi, na berpau yang jaksniau, ya kesorkan Meghalaya, ya ketinggalan jong kontrak sama kau Chief Minister Yogi, ke Sports Department, kemudian kerja pentia pencong berkat ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association, kiwa laktu le Chief Nai Arnai kiwa Chinese baik, kiwa ya kerja berkat batik boleh berpang le rumah Khubor besar, rumah District Sport Officer Yogi, ada oleh kerja cutok, ne bentau teman, ya kami Meghalaya Games cutok. Neba du cisna asnam mana dem kuni Meghalaya Games dau boys sa national games tegani ko lang cibenta cibentre yoki but yung tio jan next ke pada kecil ha yoki ke Meghalaya Games boy dau lo la cucu pudiang sa national games few events hakni ka rilung jantia yoki tegani dikitim kumulai cibun but kumulai le yani athletes di rumah raya ketika touch yung tio kamu cek kamu community yung kau bisa kau ingin sih yang ini, yang dalam rangka kejunya to etni kejunya teli kejunya banyak hantam hapok kerana jantia yang ini. Maybe orang.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Khuborjylla signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.